Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a ghost with bat wings. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curvature for the top of the head of the ghost. I'm going to pull a kind of wiggly-ish line down. Same thing over here on this side, kind of wiggle it down. Gonna go over here kind of the bottom and I'm gonna pull up for maybe I don't know what you call it, like a tendril or something. Just kind of zigzagging, making these slightly different sizes for that ghost, that bottom of the ghost area. Alright, I'm gonna go over here to the ghost itself and I'm going to draw one eye over here and I'm gonna draw different sized eyes. So this one's gonna be more like an egg on its side, right, for that eye. And I'm gonna fill it in, why not? And then this one's going to be more big, like an egg standing up. Right on. Then I'm going to draw like a mouth here. Maybe like a wiggly mouth. And a mouth down here as well, kind of wiggly. Filling it out. Right on. Cool. Okay, I'm going to go over here now and I'm going to give it the wings. This is kind of one of those ghost designs that's a little less personal, a little less personality. He's merely more of a... This kind of ghost is one of those ghosts that's like in the background of stuff. Like, woo, you know? It's not really like the main character or anything. He's got like, yeah, I don't know how to say it. I just don't see a lot of like personality coming from him. He's just one of those like cool ghost designs. Also, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Halloween, this is the largest archive of Halloween drawing tutorials in all of YouTube. So absolutely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like Halloween, because I'm going to put anything and everything Halloween related. Also, what I want you to do right now is to request something that you didn't see on here. Request it and I will totally make it happen. Something Halloween related, I'll draw it. And there you go. Gonna go over here, line up for the bat wings here, line up over here. Out, curve in right there for that one side. Gonna go over here this side, same thing, just a mirror image, curve. And I'm gonna fill this in. Over here. Fill it in. Just kind of filling it in slowly to give it that kind of bat effect, right? And I'm gonna go on this side and do the exact same thing. But yeah, Halloween's my favorite time of year. I don't know if you can tell, because I updated on this channel a lot through the year. So definitely, like, you know, say hi if you can. Basically, Halloween it's a seasonal channel, so I post on here constantly during Halloween. And yeah, it's just kind of fun to do so. And it's basically everything and anything I like. It's like all the stuff I wanted to draw as a kid, I get to draw now and show people how to do. So it's just kind of like this reward, this amazing reward for me. Go over here. Right on. And keep filling it in here. And be careful with these Sharpies, by the way. They do kind of smell weird, so I would turn on a fan or something. or I would do it near a window, just somewhere where it's ventilated. Just make sure you're not in like a really small space inhaling this stuff, because it's just not great for you. But yeah, like right now, I have like, I'm literally near a big window, and I have a huge fan on right now, like aimed right at the paper here. So it's gonna blow all this stuff out. I can't even really smell it. All right, continue to fill in here. Cool. I'm gonna also give it a thicker outline around the ghost shape itself. I just think it could use that. And it's gonna give it a little bit more of a merging quality. Trying to think of all my favorite movies. I think my favorite part of Halloween is the movies. One over here. Curving. All right, that's pretty much it. But yeah, like I said, absolutely, my favorite part of Halloween is like all the stuff, like the ghost stories, everything. But I'm really excited. I'm happy to start this season out, and I'm really just, I don't know, over the moon about it. If there's anything, like I said, that you want to talk to me about, you can always message me here. I'm very easily reached. Also, you can check out the official website at sketchingeasy.com. I'm working on it every single day. I'm putting something new every single day. There's a beginner drawing lesson on the channel. So if you go to the channel and you can click on the dragon, it gives you a super ultra beginner lesson on all drawing. So you can go take a look at that if that interests you. There's a cute drawing ebook. There is there's Halloween drawing templates that I need to put. I forgot about that. I'll go put those Halloween drawing templates. I forgot about that. But that is pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You guys are just the reason I hang out. So thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you very soon. Okay. Say hi to me, and I am going to make another video. Talk to you later.